Hi, today I'm sharing my recipe for Pancit, a Filipino noodle dish. Let me show you how I make it. I'm using vermicelli noodles. You could also use rice noodles, 1 package, soy sauce, mixed vegetables, oyster sauce, olive oil, a bouillon packet, and sausage, Chinese sausage, thinly sliced chicken, half of a onion, and garlic. I cooked the noodles in hot simmering water for 2 minutes and prepared my vegetables. And I'm using some thinly sliced chicken, hot Italian sausage, and sweet Chinese sausage. In a pan, heat some olive oil. I love this pan because it's nice and heavy and it holds a lot. Add your chopped onion. I like to dice it small. Cook the onions until translucent and then add 4 cloves of finely diced garlic and cook that for a minute or 2. Now add your thinly sliced meat. I'm using hot Italian sausage, Chinese sweet sausage, and 1 thinly sliced chicken breast. And you could use whatever you have on hand. That makes it so versatile and delicious. And surprisingly, it was delicious with the hot sweet sausage, which I generally don't care for because it's too hot, but it gave the dish a lot of flavor. Saute the meat and the onions and garlic until well cooked. I cooked the Italian sausage in the microwave for about 2 minutes and then thinly sliced it as part of my prep. As part of my prep, I steamed a small head of broccoli in the microwave for a minute or 2, just so that the broccoli would be nice and tender for the stir fry. I'm adding my carrots and my sweet peppers. Cook the vegetables for a couple of minutes. Look how delicious that looks with all those beautiful healthy vegetables and a variety of different flavors. You could leave it vegetarian if you like, or adjust it to what you have on hand. It's so versatile. Add 1 packet of bouillon powder or 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder. This gives it a delicious flavor. Stir to combine. Wow, that looks really delicious with all those beautiful colors. The noodles often get tangled and it's hard to cut when they're dry, so just cut them with a clean kitchen scissor. I add a couple of drops of olive oil to make the noodles slippery and non-stick. I'm turning the heat back on, and now it's time to combine all the ingredients. I'm adding the noodles that I cut. This little gadget's great for pasta. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, you could just use 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir to combine all the flavors. Taste it and make sure you like the flavors. I'm going to add a little pepper. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Taste it again and see how you like it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Look how nice that looks. All the deliciousness from the bottom goes to the top. You could garnish it with a little bit of green onion, but it's not really necessary. The Chinese sausage really makes a difference in this dish. So if you could find it in your Asian store near you, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking. Take care.